Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, the country is bracing for Hurricane Beryl.
In its 5 p.m. advisory, the Category 4 hurricane is moving away from the Windward Islands and it's continuing its journey across the southeastern Caribbean.
And to put things in perspective for us, Romaine Robinson, our in-house meteorologist, now joins us live. Romaine, the hurricane watch has been upgraded to now warning. What's the difference?
Well, the warning implies that we do expect hurricane conditions within about 24 to 48 hours. So we could be seeing the effects of the system within that time period.
All right, so I am hoping that your map comes behind you, but we wanted you to put in perspective for us, Romaine, where the system is now and, you know, where it is going. When should we start experiencing a depreciation in the weather conditions?
Well, Beryl is currently in the Eastern Caribbean, so it's just west of the Lesser Antilles, just west of the island chain. But we are expecting the system to move rapidly into the Central Caribbean tonight, tomorrow, and Wednesday. We are expecting the system to pass just between 170 and about 140. That's the closest it's likely to come based on the projections from the Hurricane Center. It's just about 140 kilometers just south of Portland Bight. That's in Clarendon.
Okay.